Oops. Watch your code, you know. The ones give you strength. And you manifest the strength. And within the process of manifesting the strength, you get a strength. And your strength developing a strong growth. Wherein, you know, the one who gave the strength, I said, boy, yeah, go on, bro. You see it? Look like y'all strive past them, you know. So, boops. Watch your play now, you know. Whole heap of maths and whole heap of division and subtraction and minus and plus now. It's either the person can feel good for you. You know, say, yeah, you elevate. Or the person can say, watch the man. You know, I'm give you a start, you know, and see the right now you think I go on, you know. It's another thing now. I say so, I say, but I remember, say, on the one and clap at two, and yes, it give you a start. And it's alright, them boops. It's another thing. You know? Yeah, make the thing bright. Boops the states of content, thing I stride and thing I grow. You know what I say, yeah? Say thing really has step up, you know. I'm going to start saying all that thing for me a regular, you know, because you don't know if I never have me own thing, then say, you know. But I say, eh. I remember, I know, now I want, you know. On the table is that the love of a share. So instead of the individual, give the encouragement and say, yes, forward with it, hopeful. Love the movements there. So you can strengthen another one and so another person can grow. The individual start and say, yo, start saying on, you see it? Yeah man, code. Have to know the road. Remember someone? Road forward with streets also. You see me I say, yeah man, a whole heap in the streets man, code have to know the road. Hopeful.